Hey everybody, it's Terrence here with Computers Plus, your favorite computer concierge, reminding everybody of our food drive, especially during the holiday seasons where there's families out here in Cobb County, Georgia that just don't have enough money to even have a warm meal. So during this time, if you want to bring some canned goods in, we'll get them to the families that need it the most, as well as any type of warm clothing like sweaters maybe that you're not using, cardigans, sweatshirts, jackets for kids, especially for kids. Get them to us and we're going to get them into the families that need them in our area. Guys, we do this every single day, 365 days throughout the year. You bring canned goods into Computers Plus, we're going to give you a discount off of your service or offer you your repair. During this time, we're doing the exact same thing, just reminding everybody that it's Thanksgiving coming up and Christmas, and there's some kids, families out there that can definitely use a warm jacket and use a hot meal. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.